app developers, welcome to the coding board. This is series of HTML practice. So let's begin the session. Today we are going to understand how to strike a content of HTML page and display. First, let me write our basic structure of HTML document. Here we have ampersand, doc type, HTML, and then we have opening and closing HTML. And here closing HTML. Then here head section slash head section, body slash body, and then in head section we can write meta tag. Meta is nothing but data about data. Meta car set equals to UTF-8 hyphen 8. UTF-8 means preferred encoding for emails and web pages. Okay, now here meta name is equals to author content is equals to the coding. Wait a minute. The coding board. Okay, now in body section I am writing the coding board, and another line the coding board 2, 1 and 2. Let's save the code. In double quotes write dot html, save the code, and then refresh and execute. So our output is like this. Observe carefully. Here we need to have the coding board 2 in next line. So what we will do, already we have learned in last session, we will make use of br tag. Save the code and refresh. Now I want the coding board 2 in strike. Then what I will do, I will make use of strike tag of HTML5. Okay, strike. Save the code and refresh. Observe carefully. Where you need to observe? You need to observe here. See here. Okay, I'm doing once again. I am removing strike tag, removing strike tag, this saving, and again displaying document. See, there is no strike. Now what I will do, I will make use of strike tag. Strike opening and strike closing. Save the code and refresh. Observe carefully what will happen now. Okay, the coding board 2 got striked. So in this way we can make use of strike tag to strike content of any web page. So that's it in this session. Let's meet in another session. Thank you.